My MrBeast video has more than 5,000 views. Ads are playing before the video. Now you might be wondering, yo, MoneyRobot, how much money did you make with this video? In this video, I'll show my YouTube analytics and the exact amount of money I made from the video. Fun fact, MrBeast still hasn't commented on the video. But maybe I made enough money with the video to buy his merch? Let's find out. In total, the video has generated over 5,700 views. 11.8 hours were watched so far. For a 9 seconds video, not bad at all. And now the big moment, I earned exactly $0 with the video. But 69 people have found this channel and subscribed. Love goes out to MrBeast. Maybe this video will make a few dollars one day. Then of course I'll show you how much money I made with the video to the video how much money I made with the MrBeast video. See you guys.